If Steam is showing error 730, especially in Counter-Strike 2, don't worry. This usually points to a failed update, corrupted game files, or a problem connecting to the right Steam content server. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the game as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes just like this. Let's jump in. The first fix is what I like to call the region refresh. Sometimes Steam gets assigned to a content server that's having a temporary issue, and that alone can block your download or update. To refresh it, open Steam, then click on Settings. From there, go to the Downloads tab. Here you'll see the download region option. Change it to a different city or even a nearby country if needed. The goal is simply to force Steam to reconnect to a different server. Once you change the region, Steam will usually ask you to restart. Go ahead and let it restart completely. After Steam opens again, check whether the update or download starts working properly. In many cases, this alone clears up the error because Steam establishes a clean new connection to a better server. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear the download cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for 700 series Steam errors. It removes temporary download metadata, but it does not delete your actual games. To do this, stay in the same download settings menu and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you that this can log you out, and that's completely normal. Before you continue, make sure you know your Steam login details and have Steam Guard ready if you use it. After clearing the cache, log back into Steam and try the download or update again. A damaged cache can often cause strange update failures, so this step gives Steam a fresh start. Now let's move on to repairing the Steam library folder. If Steam is having trouble writing files to the drive where your game is installed, that can trigger error 730 as well. To check this, go back into Steam settings and open storage. Select the drive where Counter-Strike 2 or your affected game is installed. Then click the three dots next to the drive bar and choose Repair Library. This is especially useful if Windows permissions got messed up or if Steam no longer has proper write access to that location. Repairing the library can reset those permissions and fix the folder structure so Steam can update the game correctly. Once the repair is finished, try the update again and see if the error is gone. Another important step is verifying the game files. This checks whether any files are missing or corrupted. In your Steam library, right-click the game that's giving the error. Then go to Properties, click Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and re-download anything broken or missing. This is a very common fix for Counter-Strike 2 issues, especially after an incomplete update or a crash during patching. If one of the game files is corrupted, Steam may refuse to launch or update the game properly, so verification can save you a lot of time. You should also check for pending updates. Sometimes error 730 appears simply because Steam hasn't fully completed an update in the background. Restart Steam completely to force it to check again. If needed, also restart your PC to make sure no update process is stuck. After that, open Steam and give it another moment to reconnect and recheck your game files. One more thing to keep in mind is storage space. Make sure you have at least 20 to 30 gigabytes of free space on the drive where the game is installed. If your drive is too full, Steam can run into staging or unpacking issues during updates, and that can easily look like an error 730 problem. Freeing up space may be all you need to get everything working again. So to quickly recap, first, change your download region. Second, clear the download cache. Third, repair the library folder. Fourth, verify your game files. Fifth, restart Steam to check for pending updates. And finally, make sure you have enough free disk space for the update to complete. If you followed along and this fixed your Steam error 730, let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Steam and gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.